Birth of a decentralized and a private internet about using Bitcoin to solve complex problems. Network usage as well as graph future plans as well as new additions to .NET Marketplace. Conclusion: around 2 years ago, a decentralized internet alternative named Zeronet came up on the market. With this underlying cryptography, any Zeronet address is a public key. Any visitor can directly send bitcoins to site owners. What is interesting about this technique is that users who didn't set up wallet can also send bitcoins directly. Birth of a decentralized and a private internet. Since its inception in the year 2015, one-man effort limited the functionality with a chatroom and blogging system board. But it could use the Tor network for privacy purposes, and there was the ability for anyone to make other types of websites under Zeronet from the very start. This all are done alongside all social sites with dynamically updated contents. In present-day time, there are many popular and useful Zeronet sites. Named sites are designed to mimic other popular apps and sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and Popcorn Time. The value of this whole system is far higher now with additions like a private email client, Site Search, a file manager, and Zeronet newsfeed, which effectively keep track of all your conservations around all sites. How about using Bitcoin to solve complex problems? The way Zeronet is hosting these private sites in a complete decentralized manner is not only simple but also effective. Each one of these is treated as Bittorent shared file, denoted by its Bitcoin public key. Users visiting the site can instantly download it from any nearby peer and accordingly start seeing it for other users to visit. Unlike any other BitTorrent counterparts, these Zeronet files can be updated by any individual visiting the site. Now they can easily make comments in a different blog post and upvote on other people's comments. The result is, however, bit slow net speed through Zeronet browser window, which never goes to any other domain on the internet. All these files are served locally from the folder where it was downloaded to. To make sure each and every file came from site owner unbroken and is not revised by anyone else on another pair, Bitcoin was turned to. The best thing about Zeronet is that it uses the same mathematic calculations as well cryptography to that of Bitcoin network for verifying if the wallet owner started any transaction or not. Network usage as well as grow the network of all sites are growing at a steady pace. Active users are coming from different countries where internet censorship is affecting their daily life, like China and Russia. What is more surprising is that there is significant interest in North America and European countries. However, it is also true that some users are interested in the technology itself, different from others who need Zeronet for decentralization and contribution to freedom of speech. Government crackdown is not likely to have so much effect on Zeronet, as per claim by the network's creator. This whole system is fully Tor-enabled, and the nature of this network is quite similar to that of Bitcoin addresses. If someone starts attacking these systems or computers, in such case he or she will only delay the updates. So it is not worth all the effort. When you can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.